We've just arrived at Benidorm. We've just pulled into Camp in Racco. Stu's just gone to sort out all the passport bits and the payment. So this campsite we've done a bit of research on. It's got everything: shops, laundrettes, indoor pools, outdoor pools, the lot. And it's about a 15-minute walk into Benidorm. This time we've decided to come back for a couple of days. We literally want to go and see the old town. We want to get stuck in.
We're on a tight side of the park. I don't think I'm getting in that.
Yeah, you gotta do a little bit of manoeuvring there, love. He's seen the tattoo shop on the way in. Mark my words, I bet you he drags me over there.
I wouldn't need to drag you over there, you'd be there right by the side of me.
I just said to Stu now, there's people coming up to say hello to us, which is really bizarre. We're not used to it.
I stood at the gate and I heard the accent.
Right.
And I went, hey, hiya, it's a Rucks, isn't it? And he went, oh, hi, I've been following you. He says, I've got no better to do. And I looked across and seen your van. It's like we know you, but you know, obviously we don't know you.
And now you're on the telly.
Oh,
so
shit.
say hi.
Not Adam.
So straight from our van here is the indoor swimming pool. Gonna go and check it out real quick.
There's kangaroos here as well, love.
Kangaroos.
The outdoor one has been emptied because obviously it's not quite the right time of year for it to be up and running. But yeah, there's a little pool there, guys. Happy with that. So I chose this one based upon the reviews that we'd seen, that it's not too far away from Benidorm town centre, but actually the campsite itself is pretty nice. They've got a shop here behind me and the reception's just there in front with a car parking area. When you arrive, you do need to park up, you need to go and pick your own pitch and then let them know in reception which one you're on, basically. Why have you got a plunger on your head?
Because I have children. Some good stuff to get in there on the way back, love.
Yeah.
I was alright.
Basically, we always make the mistake of going into shops, getting excited, buying loads of stuff and then having to carry it forever.
Yeah.
So I was like, stop!
Get it on the way back.
So
Can I get one of these mobility scooters?
I know, do you know what? I really fancy one of them. It seems like the done thing.
We'll get 2 doubles, right? You can drive one, I'll drive another.
Whoa! There's a kid there.
Then you have crazy drivers.
Yeah! He flew around that corner.
My foot nearly got taken
To be fair,
off.
he deserved to come off at the end. Prick.
I'd imagine all this is going to be quite busy later on.
Oh yeah, but there's some good food here, chip shops.
Chip Shop Friday. You're going to love it here, I reckon, actually. After the initial shock of Benidorm, I think you're going to be quite taken with it, you know, once you realise there's British food here.
Yeah.
And things are really accessible, you know. I mean, look, there's bars, ATMs everywhere. You scooter?
Not. £4 a day.
Oh, you can borrow them? Nice, we need one of those. There is one on site, but we prefer the ones off site, don't we? Because they seem to be more powerful.
Yes, and not so busy.
Lots of camping along here though, which is good. So they've got the hotels and then restaurants, bars all in amongst each other, which is quite nice. So you can literally leave the campsite and then access all of this straight away. To get everything you needed then?
Yes. I got, for the kids, they said they were a bit hot. It's obviously quite hot at the moment, so I just got some little 12-volt fans.
Cool, that's all.
No, I got some swimming caps so they can go in the swimming pool. And then my hair cutter died, so I got a new hair cutter.
So you're going to trim that beard, do you?
Well,
What'd you say, Dex?
Jet skis and quads.
Oh yeah.
And I think that's a golf cart.
Oh yeah, you can rent jet skis. Come on
I
then.
want a quad.
It looks shut though. They're cool, aren't they?
there's an Iceland here.
Yeah.
There's actually an Iceland here.
Overseas supermarket.
Oh, so.
Oh God.
What happened, love?
You lot went nuts in Iceland. Look at it all.
So
Missing British food?
I thought we were getting it on the way back.
Yeah.
Yeah, couldn't resist. Real, mature cheddar cheeses. Amelia's likes the tuna paste.
Kids wanted fruit
fruit
shoots.
shoots. So yeah, it was nice. Just a little cheeky top up on some traditional British stuff.
Although I am going to pop to the local shop when we get to the campsite because they do those Nescafe cappuccino latte powder drinks.
Yes.
So I was well happy with that because they're cheaper than Morrison's in Gibraltar as well. So
there we are.
yeah.
Happy
winning.
days. So yeah, we're not going too far. We're just sort of getting our bearings, having a little mooch around down the street, and I think we'll take the kids swimming. What have you found, love?
English breakfast, small €4, all big for £5. You're going to go big, aren't you?
Well,
You're going to go big.
go wherever you'll go home, innit?
Yeah, but look, they got cocktails and that in here as well.
And cocktails.
This looks cool, babe.
Gonna visit that one later, I reckon.
On the way back, is it, love?
Yeah.
It says very British along here, isn't it?
That's probably why we're getting a bit excited. We've been here for 6 weeks and we can actually read the signs.
Yeah, look, and they've got the hotels all around, and then they've set it up like with these bars in front.
Yeah, it's cool.
Look, red telephone box. Let's just play. Class. Are we missing home, do you think?
A little bit.
I always say you should really look at visiting somewhere more than once before you give a real opinion, because there's been a few places on this trip that we visited the first time and been a bit unsure about, and then the second time it's just been cracking. So
and vice versa, there's someone we went before and we enjoyed it and we went back again, we just wasn't feeling it.
yeah, it's
So it does work both ways, yeah.
Yeah, but maybe though the sun's out, there's a lot of people around, you know.
And we can read the menus.
And we can read everything, yeah. So we're getting a little bit excited, definitely.
Selfish, innit?
Yeah, it is a little bit. But we have parked this time on a campsite for this reason, to make it easy for us and to feel like we're actually on holiday, because I don't think that we've felt the holiday vibes yet.
Oh, I
Not
don't know about
really.
you, I have.
Well,
Week in a Gilas definitely did it for me.
well, yeah, I mean, that was lush, but what I mean is we haven't done a campsite with a swimming pool, having the sunshine in the sky, palm trees everywhere, and this feeling of being on holiday, because there's hotels, palm trees, everyone's out and about, mobility scooters everywhere, been nearly knocked over a few times, so keep your eyes peeled for those.
Drunk drivers everywhere.
Absolutely, yeah. So we're going to walk up here. We've got our Greg's sausage and bean and cheese melts in the bag, so
And
they
steak
are good.
bakes.
Oh yeah, and steak bakes.
Bovril.
Yeah, so we're going to have to get back before they defrost. But it might be worth hitting that beach later on, love.
Yeah, I think so. Like you said, go back, have some lunch, and then we can come out again, can't we?
Yeah, I think that would be a good idea. Just getting a bit of a feel for the place, and actually, so far, so good.
Yeah, it's nice.
We found a tattoo shop, and it's open. No idea what you even want, but for some reason we're obsessed with tattoo shops. Yeah. So what's happening? We're in the tattoo shop. The guy's stenciling us up a tattoo now. He said you can start doing it in about 15 minutes. We're going for a world map. Stu's gonna go first because he's scared. So I said you better go first in case he chickens out. We'll come back to you in a minute. Come on then, Stu, let's show everyone your legs before. So he's going to have it done across here. Look at the muscle on him. That's going to hurt. So John has got this horrible task of shaving these gammy legs. Look at that.
He likes it though.
I do think he likes
I
it.
like it too.
I'd be in bed.
He'd be crying in a minute.
He's rubbing my leg up good and proper down there.
And the kids have literally come to observe. They want to see Dad in pain, which is lovely.
Yeah, and his witness if anything.
We're in Benidorm. Hey.
I think it's going to look stunning, babes. Whilst Stu's in having his tattoo, the kiddies are sat there very patiently waiting. I thought I'd have a look out here. So they've got some Spanish real estate that you can buy somewhere for about €495.
How are you feeling, love?
All right. I don't mind a tattoo, me. Don't mind at all. When he starts, I can start crying and I'll be like, I've forgotten what it's like.
Yeah.
Peter's extra to do.
Let's have a quick look. So yes, we've got our matching kangaroos. So now we're having matching world maps. So the idea is we've got to have a travel sleeve on our leg. Oh, we've started.
Yeah.
What do you think?
It's not as bad as I remember.
No, to be fair, the majority of it was okay. I had 2, maybe 3 spots where I winced, but it was all right.
That first little sting is always going to be a bit like, oh yeah, I remember, and then it's fine then, isn't it?
Yeah.
But you know, I've birthed 3 of your children, love. If I can't have a little tattoo after that, there's something wrong in there.
And the final result?
Absolutely wicked. I got me some cream. I got me 2 tattoos. Cracking, absolutely cracking job. So thank you, John. Oh, look at these pair.
I do something.
Benidorm's costing us a few quid. Fancy some fish and chips at the Grand National there?
They were like, yeah, traditional and a pint I'm fancying.
Yeah. It's all that adrenaline, darling, after our
Yes.
legs. So last time we came here a few weeks back, that seems really funny saying that, like, oh, I was in Benidorm a couple of weeks ago, but it's true. We came here and it was completely empty. Now,
But the beach was empty.
crazy, isn't it? To think, like, within a few weeks ago, the temperatures have like soared, so everyone's like in the bikinis, completely chilled and relaxed. It's cool.
Yeah.
All the bars are open. We're gonna head for a pint now as a little reward, and we
Yes.
all the pain and suffering we just went through.
All self-inflicted.
Yeah. Kids have stuffed their faces on a Mackie D's for lunch because all the stuff we bought had defrosted by the time we came out of the tattoo shop. And I think we've hunted down the hotel where Benidorm was filmed, so we're going to go and see if we can find it and check it out. That'll be a bit surreal actually after watching it for the last few weeks. Here we are, jet ski. Should we go and see how much it would be?
Banana.
Here, Benidorm tickets. Look, you've got the zoo, Aqua Natura, sea lions. Should we have a look? Daddy wants a jet ski. Too early in the season.
Too early.
So we found out where Benidorm was filmed, and we found the hotel that the pool scenes were in, and it's really weird seeing it actually.
Unattended.
Can we go find the other hotel now then, that they do like the entrance and all that?
No, because that's all. They do all the inside at one hotel and the outside at this one.
Ah, okay. Nice, babe.
Oh. You get a choice.
What do you mean?
You can either have a sangria or a beer, and whatever you choose, I'll happily have whatever the other one is. I really don't mind. That surprises me. Sound as a
Do
pound.
you know why I've done that?
No.
Because I knew you really wanted a cocktail, and you had sangria down at Andy's bar a couple of weeks back and you liked it, so I was going to let you enjoy it. You don't want it, do you?
Ching ching.
Cheers.
That's strong.
You want to swap, right?
Try that. It's nice, really nice. But that is a strong one.
Oh yeah, that is strong. I think I made the right choice. So, just had a beautiful sangria at the bar, really enjoyed it. Some beautiful subscribers came along and bought us another drink, which was really nice. Thank you very much, Debs. Sorry I've forgotten your husband's name. You might have told me, but I'm useless with names, so I'm sorry about that. Have a brilliant time. We're now heading to take the kids swimming. Been promising them swimming all afternoon. It's been a really hot day, so figured why not. There's an indoor pool here. I've just been told as well that shower caps aren't actually mandatory, so I'm going to go let the cat out the van for a bit and then the kids can go swimming. We've been given some really cool ideas for tomorrow, so we're going to get up in the morning and we're going to have a bit of a jam-packed day, so follow us in the morning and see where we end up.